Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you the latest update of Aimogen, which adds also support for Elementor blocks using Aimogen's AI feature. So let me show you this new feature real quick. And I have here on my test site Elementor installed and activated. It's the free version, as Aimogen is giving also the free version of Elementor this new functionality, but also the paid version is able to benefit of this. So to see this in action, go to posts, add new post, and let's edit with Elementor, and let's open up this little page builder here, and let me show you how to use it. Basically, it's really simple, as Aimogen will be able to be integrated directly into the text and heading blocks of Elementor. So here it is. Now we have a title, and let's add some new basic text editor here. So we have added here the text editor block. We also can click on the block and we have the options here. So Aimogen is automatically integrated in these options. If we check the settings, you will be able to use AI assistants which you added in Aimogen before, or AI models. So you will have a large selection of AI models. If you added multiple AI providers, you will see them also here. So let's go with the plain GPT-4o mini model. Temperature, presence, frequency, they can be left by default. And here in the content, we will be able to also write some content for our Elementor textual block using AI. So in the content part, scroll down until you see Aimogen content generator, and here simply write the prompt that you are willing to send to the AI. So let's say write a short intro for my blog post, dogs in 2024, what changed since the 90s. Okay, so let's make this a question and click generate. So as you will see, generating will take a couple of seconds, and here it is. In the past few decades, our relationship with dogs have evolved dramatically, and so on. So you can also instruct the AI that, hey, I already wrote something here and I would like to rewrite it. And in this case, you can use the content shortcode. So copy the content shortcode and instruct the AI that, hey, rewrite this content, make it like 5-year-old would tell a story about it, and simply paste the content shortcode here and click generate. Once upon a time, there were lots of dogs. They used to help people do work like chasing sheep and pulling carts and so on. Okay, so as you can see, you will be able to use this feature directly in the Elementor block. Also, if you add another block, so for example, let's go and add a heading block here in Elementor. So let's drag it here. We have here a heading, and you will benefit of the similar functionality also in the heading generator. Write a heading about a heading for a blog post about dogs in 2024, and here we have soon the future of Fido, what to expect for dogs in 2024. So in this case, we have to delete these stars that were added by the AI and the Fido, I guess. Okay. Now this is how you will be able to use Elementor integration of Aimogen. As always, Aimogen is linked in this video description. If you have more ideas, suggestions for it or for other plugins that I created, let me know and I will be glad to reply to your comments from this video. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.